All right, so for this video, guys, we will be discussing institutional order flow, which is the one thing in price that will not lie to you. All right. And the reason I say that is because if price is bullish, that means order flow for that moment is bullish. If price is bearish, that means the current state of order flow is bearish. Now, order flow can be described as, I would say, a consistency in terms of the things that are supporting price and inconsistency in the terms of the things that are resisting price, right? And those things are the PD arrays. Okay, so what I have here are a few ranges. Okay, and I'm going to show you. Actually, we'll just do it here. This little, you know, half circle right here that I'm drawing. Right, this is just showing you at this moment. Right, think about this moment. Something changes. All right, and what's changing is the order flow. That's where you get your smart money reversal from. All right. However, there are things on the chart that are visually present for you to see to know at which moments the current state of order flow is bullish and at which moments the current state of order flow is bearish. And the reason that's important is because as traders, you don't want to go in and put on an investment or expose your portfolio to risk and on a short position when the current state of order flow is bullish, right? And so you want to have a keen sense of what it looks like for order flow to change over. Okay. So let me get the rest of these visuals here. There's that. And the reason I'm doing it in this manner, guys, is because this is what really helped me to see that there is something to be actually seen on the chart. So we don't need an order flow or a tick chart to see this, right? It's just simply going off of what the consistency is. All right, and understand that there's no time frame attached to what I'm drawing here. All right, this could be a 15-minute chart leading into a 1-minute chart, right? This could be a daily chart, right, leading into a 4-hour or 1-hour chart. All right, the most important piece or the significant point is that as this price is moving up, there is a consistency in terms of discount array support price. There's a consistency here in terms of, once we get to the bearish side, in terms of premium array support price. All right. That is a fractal understanding. Okay. I'm not going to go as in depth and give you the greatest teaching for the sake of this just being a demo. However, so we'll pull up Euro USD and we're only going to look at examples here on a daily chart. All right. And I'm going to highlight every point or every range up into the peak point and reversal. All right. So let's go here. Let's go to about this point. We'll make that a different color. Let's go to here to up here. Bring it back red. Here. Here. And I'm gonna zoom into this so you can see it a lot clearer. And up into the current price action that we're seeing on the euro right now. Right. So yeah, if I can make this so you guys can actually see, what you should be seeing here is there's a consistency. All right. And understand this idea is fractal. There's a consistency in terms of what's actually support price. And yes, this is a daily chart, right? However, if I were to take this point here to this point here, right? If you were to go to a lower time frame, you would see a certain consistency down to that point into discount array, which is that fair value gap. And then you would see something change, and then you would see another consistency, right? And then when you understand the overall picture, right, or the actual buy or sell program or what price is reaching for, then you're able to make decisions in line with that workflow. Okay. So up here, something changes, obviously, and then, I'll leave it to you guys to just kind of understand what I'm actually pointing out here. Something changes again here, right? And then I have to keep reiterating that, yes, this is a daily chart. However, this idea or this concept, all right, or this understanding is to be applied across the board, right? Because price is fractal and time is also fractal, right? And you get a bit of consolidation here. When you have consolidation, there is going to be no consistency. So what do? You have to zoom out, right? Because on the higher time frame, there's going to be a consistency. So this won't even matter because you understand what the higher time frame that is superior to this one, you'll understand what that higher time frame's current state of order flow is. All right. And then as you can see here, there's also something that changes. Right. So to give you guys I guess a point of study, right? Homework. What you can do is go to a chart. Doesn't matter what time frame. Go to a chart, and any time where any point in price where you see a peak and reversal, right? I want you to split those two portions, highlight them, and just study the left side and the right side, right? I promise you, you'll begin to get a little more proficient in your decision making, and you'll be a lot more patient because you'll understand that order flow, once again, is the one thing in price that will not lie to you. All right. Hope you guys do well with this.